Are you looking to start a successful faceless YouTube channel in 2024 but don't know which niche to choose? If yes, then you're exactly where you need to be. We'll uncover the top 10 niches for a thriving faceless channel, ranging from ASMR, gaming, to animation, podcasts, and even cooking. These niches can captivate audiences and bring success. So, let's dive into our first niche. First up, we have ASMR. This niche, known for relaxation and stress relief, has gained popularity due to its unique ASMR, or autonomous sensory meridian response, uses specific sounds to trigger a soothing sensation, aiding listeners to unwind. Its success as a faceless channel hinges on its auditory content. No to show your face, just let the sounds speak. With its focus on sound, ASMR is a top choice for a faceless channel. Next up, we have gaming. A territory of creativity, gaming channels are quite trendy. You can focus on gameplay and commentary, or walkthroughs and tips. Popular genres like RPGs, battle royales, and indie games tend to audiences. Remember, the next viral game could be just a click away. So if you're a passionate gamer who enjoys sharing digital exploits, this could be the perfect niche for you. Third on our list is animation. This realm teems with endless creative opportunities. Animation offers a unique canvas to spin immersive narratives, invent characters, and construct imaginative worlds, all while remaining anonymous. It's an ideal medium to express your artistic flair and engage your audience. It caters to diverse styles, 3D, 2D, or stop motion. For the creative souls out there, animation could be the perfect fit. Fourth, we look at podcasts. Podcasts on YouTube are distinctive. Despite lacking visual appeal, they compensate with rich content. The allure of podcasts is their adaptability. Covering a spectrum from personal development to comedy, there's a podcast for every taste. They vary from solo talks to dynamic interviews. Essentially, they revolve around dialogues and idea exchange. Podcasts are an excellent option for those who love to talk and share ideas. Fifth up, we have music. Music channels, a fascinating breed, flourish without showing faces. Consider lyric videos, album reviews, or original compositions. Maybe create music tutorials or offer views on the latest albums. The world of ambient sounds, from raindrops to cityscapes, is captivating. It's all about not the visuals. If you have a passion for music, this niche could be perfect for you. Sixth, we have product reviews, a niche where showing your face isn't necessary. It's anything from tech gadgets to beauty products, books, or food items. The objective is to provide valuable insights, highlight features, and deliver an authentic opinion. Your unique voice and sincerity are your selling points. Don't hesitate to express your real thoughts about the product. Product reviews are a great way to share your opinions and potentially make money. Seventh on our list is tutorials, a goldmine of faceless content. Imagine sharing how to fold an origami crane or code a program, all without revealing yourself. Popular topics range from cooking, tech, crafts, to academics. Tutorials provide an outlet for sharing expertise, teaching, and guiding others, all from behind the scenes. Tutorials are a great way to share your knowledge and skills. Eighth, we have fitness and wellness. This niche is a rising star in the content game. Consider guided audios for meditation or fitness, wellness podcasts, or even mental health advice. No need to show your face. You can also explore healthy recipes. The possibilities are limitless, meeting a high demand. If you're passionate about health and fitness, this could be the niche for you. Ninth on our list is storytelling, a versatile niche executed without showing a face. It has popular formats like animated storytelling, bringing tales alive with illustrations, and audio storytelling, capturing listeners with voice and sound effects. Alternatively, there's text-based storytelling, using words on the screen as canvas. If you have a knack for telling engaging stories, this could be your niche. And last but not least, we have cooking. A beloved genre, cooking videos can be made without showing faces, yet envision a bird's eye view, hands deftly combining ingredients in a sizzling pan. This technique has been utilized by successful channels. Another style is voiceover recipe tutorials, emphasizing the food, not the chef. A culinary playground is waiting to be discovered. So, for all the foodies out there, cooking could be your perfect niche. So, there you have it. 10 niches perfect for a faceless YouTube channel 2024. We've explored ASMR, gaming, animation, podcasts, music, reviews, tutorials, fitness, storytelling, and cooking, each a distinct chance for success. It's not just about choosing a renowned niche. The magic is in aligning your passion with your content. Remember, the key to a successful YouTube channel is passion and consistency. So, a niche you love and start creating.